Welcome to Links 007 TV update on the passing of the Queen. So today is actually the first morning, Friday morning, after the passing of Queen Elizabeth II. So many people are actually out and about as early this morning. Some have gathered at the Buckingham Palace already in order to share floral tributes, in order to just leave a card at this monumental site. As you know, the Queen passed away yesterday, sad to say, and many people are in total shock and also in disbelief based on the passing of the Queen, as many did not know that the Queen was actually ailing for some time. Well, to that, the Queen have served a wonderful time within her life itself, and she have served 70 years on the monarch to be one of the longest serving member of the royal family. And I can tell you right now, many people are still in disbelief based on the passing of the Queen herself and based on what transpired yesterday afternoon as news spread of the passing of the Queen as she passed away peacefully yesterday. So we're not sure what proceeding will take place from here on, but we have been told that there will be 12 days of national mourning, and a number of countries within the Caribbean as well, including Jamaica, have taken this initiative in order to do that 12-day mourning as well, in order to commemorate the Queen life and also her legacy and the way in which she would have ruled over this Caribbean nation as the head of state for some time. But all I can say, Links 007 TV will be on the move and will continue to keep you up to date with what's going on in relation to this. We said before in an initial report that we'll be making some trips to the Buckingham Palace during the course of this week and providing you with some wonderful images of what is taking place there. We know that there will be a lot of people at that location, and I can tell you, we just want to keep you guys up to date with what's going on, so you can always tune in to Links 007 TV for the latest in relation to that. But as news spread of the Queen passing, many wept openly outside Buckingham Palace, and thousands of people gathered outside that site last night in order just to share in that special moment. But all I can say, we'll continue to just chat this story and provide you with any more information that we have to bring to you. Once it becomes available to us, Links 007 TV will continue to update you, the general public, with what's going on as it relates to the proceedings and also what's to come, as we will now be ruled by a king, which has been in the making for so many years right now. But it's still sad days for the Buckingham Palace and also sad days for the royal family as they try to come to term this morning, the first morning after the passing of the Queen. Many people are actually still in shock about this whole entire situation, but all I can say is that the Queen has lived her life, and she has lived it well, serving on the monarch for such a long time. 70 years is not no short time to be at the head of an organization that would have seen many different changes over many different years of her illustrious career as a Queen of the United Kingdom. A number of different countries have took to social media in order to express their condolences to the royal family, and this is just how it has been, pouring in from yesterday with all different people from all different walks of life that's giving their own views and personal opinion. Links 007 TV will chat this story and provide more information to come on this. This is where we sign out for right now. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day.